Find or read reviews that people are talking about NOBIWA portable air compressor. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. Triple speed inflation. This portable car tire pump delivers triple speed inflation with a maximum pressure of 150 psi. It can inflate a 195/65 R15 sedan tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in just 60 seconds, providing instant inflation for cars, bicycles, motorcycles, and balls. Our pump ensures worry-free travel experiences. 4 intelligent modes. This portable air compressor for car tires features a large digital display screen and is equipped with 4+1 intelligent modes: automobile, motorcycle, bicycle, ball games, and custom mode. It allows free switching between 4 pressure units, psi, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter. The pump automatically cuts power when inflation reaches preset values, effectively preventing overinflation and short circuits, ensuring safety for you and your vehicle anytime, anywhere. Compact and portable. Our air pump measures just 9.72 x 5.47 x 4.33 inches with a weight under 2 pounds, fitting effortlessly into glove compartments, seats, or trunks. The large digital display provides real-time tire pressure readings, while intuitive function keys ensure hassle-free operation, making it the perfect companion for daily life and travels. Multifunctional System. This air compressor portable serves as a versatile emergency tool with integrated features. The built-in flashlight supports 3 modes: lighting mode, SOS mode, and strobe mode, and comes equipped with a USB port, making it an ideal portable power source for your mobile devices and computer. It is a highly functional product. Multi-accessory set. The package includes an air pump, a dedicated operation hose, 4 nozzles compatible with various valves, a Type-C charging cable, and a detailed user manual, making it an ideal gift for both women and men. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.